One of the cool things that you can do on your own YouTube channel is to link to other channels, maybe channels that you want to recommend to others, things that are related to the sort of content that you do, other channels that you've got, partnerships, that sort of thing. So if I look at the minute, I'm looking at my channel as a visitor to the channel rather than how I see it myself. If I click on the channels section along the top, the tabs, we can see here we've got recommended Dynamics 365 related channels. So these are channels that I am recommending to people that I think they might find interesting based on the fact that the type of content I put on, theirs might be similar or related somehow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Customize Channel. So this is something to keep in mind. As soon as I do that, and I'm now viewing my channel as myself, you'll see that now there's a recommended section at the top, and we've also got a subscription section, and then we've got this custom area that I've created as well. So this as we saw, what the actual visitors see, they'll see what I've set up rather than seeing the subscriptions that I have. So everything that I've specifically subscribed to, that's actually going to be private. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home area, and you can see here this recommended Dynamics 365 related channels. What I want to do is I want to add to this, and I want to add a specific person's channel. So I'm first of all going to go ahead and get their channel link. So this is somebody that I think posts some great content. So we've got Mark Christie. I'm going to copy the URL to his channel. I'm going to then go back to the home area. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where I've got this recommended related channels area, hover over it, click on the edit. And we can see here that what I'm showing, the content, is a custom grouping of channels rather than my channel subscriptions. And I want it laid out in a horizontal row or vertical list. So actually, let's just change it to a vertical list, see how that looks. No, I think I prefer it to be the horizontal row. It's not quite as blurry on some of those. So the channel selection, I'm going to click here to add channels. I've given it that section title myself, that's what I want it to say, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in and hit enter, and that was Mark Christie's channel URL, and it's put him in there. But what I also want to do is I'm going to just move this around a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and put him there. Okay, once I've done that, I click done and then done again, and there we can see there's his channel, it's linked. And if I go back to viewing this instead of as myself, let's go back to a returning subscriber, scroll back down, and there's that section below. So very, very easy to add. If I go back to customizing the channel, scroll back down to the bottom, that's where we'd basically add a section. The content that we want is basically either the subscriptions or a custom grouping, and that's where you can set up and determine which channels it is that you actually want to be displaying. So really straightforward, really simple to do, and again, it's a way to help your subscribers engage with other people, find other people that you value, that you rate highly, and that you think that they might get some interest out of. That's it.